firstly, I want to say that it's a great event in Barranquilla, and it's my third year presenting over here. So this year, obviously, the market dynamics, they have changed, and what we see is a lot of Indonesian material, which is in the Atlantic, and particularly in Colombia. It's giving a lot of competition to Colombian producers. So that's one of the biggest challenge which I see. And at the same time, there are opportunities with semi-anthracite and PCI material from Colombia, which could be placed elsewhere. Well, it's certainly a very important summit. You've got like 30 years, isn't it, of phenol carbon. So it's a great summit, and I think everyone is here, especially from the local industry, which is a great opportunity to meet everyone and understand what is happening at the ground level. So for us, it's a great opportunity to be here and meet everyone, from buyers to producers to traders and other agents who are associated with the coking coal and the coke industry and thermal coal industry in the country. Yeah, so I think this is something which at McCloskey we have been looking at the Colombian coking coal and the met coke markets very closely through our reports, and what we see is that there is low prices and the market is difficult, but it will ease out in the next few years. And I think the supply tightness, because the new supply is going to be restricted, right? So every ton of coal and coke, as we at McCloskey say and my colleagues say, will find a home. So you have to be resilient over the next few years, and then the returns will follow.